How to add an index of another data frame. I have two different data frames. First I had to check that the data in my df1 matches my df2. If that were the case, it add a column isrep equals true, otherwise it's equal to false. It created a df3 for me. Now, I need to add an idrep column in my df3 that corresponds to the index, generate automatically with pandas, where to find the data in df2. This is the df1. This is the d2. After the merge with this code, after this code, I got this result, which is my df3. It's the same of the df1 but with the column isrep. Now, I need another data frame with the column named idrep where I put the index corresponds to df2 like that. But I don't know how I can do that.
A bit of a hack would be to reset _index before you merge. Only reset the index on the right data frame.
Reverse lookup using dict. Variation, where we take advantage of assigned arguments being order dependent.